Hi, welcome to IndianMoney.com educational videos. Today we are going to talk about car loans. In this video we will briefly cover what is a car loan, trying to know about car loans, and buying tips while applying for one. What is a car loan? A car loan allows a potential buyer to buy the car upfront and then pay off the bank in monthly installments or EMIs, instead of having to pay the full price all at once. This means that a leading service or bank will pay off the car in full, while in return the borrower pays off the debt in monthly payments with an interest fee included as well. Usually banks provide a loan up to 80 to 90% of the car's value, called LTV or loan to value ratio. The balance amount has to be paid by the borrower as a down payment. The interest on the car loan ranges from 11 to 14% per annum. It can go up to 17% depending on which bank one avails the loan from. One may have to bear a down payment of 15 to 20% of the cost of the new car. Things to know about car loans. What is the eligibility criteria to avail of a car loan? A minimum age of 21 years is required for a person to avail of a car loan in India at the time of application of that loan, and up to 65 years of age at the time of maturity of the loan. The minimum income one needs in order to avail a car loan is 1.5 to 2.5 lakh rupees per annum, depending on which bank one takes the car loan from, with some banks having a minimum income criteria as high as 6 lakh rupees per annum. Certain banks state that one has to have a continuous employment of at least 2 years with the current employer. One can have a car loan sanctioned up to 48 to 50 times the net monthly income. Documents required: income proof, latest salary slips attached with the Form 16, identity proof such as passport, driving license, PAN card, voter's card, ration card, and proof of residence with the telephone and electricity bills. Interest rate for car loans varies depending on various factors as the following. The bank checks one's credit score as well as the past credit history before sanctioning that loan. Also, always maintain a good credit history in order to procure car loans at competitive rates. A third-party guarantee, mainly a friend or a relative, is necessary for one to obtain that car loan. For a second-hand car, the rate of interest charged depends on the model of the car, the condition in which the car is purchased, the number of kilometers run, the age of the car, and the previous ownership of the car. Different cars have different interest rates depending on their make. The tenure for which the loan is being applied for varies from 5 to 7 years. How to pick the right scheme for repayment of the car loan? Regular EMI. Under this method, the interest rates are fixed and the equated monthly installments can be easily calculated for the entire payment tenure. Set up EMI. The quantum of EMI consisting of the principal and the interest increases with time. The interest is higher than that of the regular EMI scheme. Step down EMI. The EMIs tend to be higher in the beginning and gradually lessen with the passage of time. This helps to bear a higher loan burden initially, which gradually lessens. The interest rates are higher than in the case of regular EMI schemes. Balloon EMI. Interest rates are higher in the initial years when compared to regular EMIs, but the principal component is less. A lump sum of 20% to the principal amount can be paid at the end of the repayment tenure. Special tie-up EMIs. Automobile companies have a special tie-up with the banks called preferred financial tie-up. This becomes very useful when you have an account with the same bank involved in the preferred financial tie-up. Whenever there is excess money in your account, this can be used to pay off the car loan as an out-of-turn payment. These out-of-turn payments reduce the EMI tenure drastically or may reduce the amount of EMI. This helps in getting rid of that car loan quickly. Buying tips. Check the eligibility criteria, particularly your income or salary, to avail the car loan. Inquire if there is any prepayment penalty. It could range between 3 to 5% of the outstanding loan amount. One can negotiate on the processing fee. Processing fee is negotiable and some lenders might even agree to waive this. Checking for the financier tie-up between an automaker and the bank in which discounts and other benefits can be obtained. One needs to consider the age of the car, particularly for pre-owned cars, as well as the tenure or period for which the loan is taken. Older the car, shorter is the tenure for which the loan is granted. If you need more expert assistance regarding car loans or any other query related to finance or any other kind of investment, please leave a missed call at 022 6181 6111 or visit our site indianmoney.com and fill the form requesting for a free financial education. We will give you a call and address your query. We give useful tips on how not to get cheated by agents and provide a checklist of things that you need to know before signing on the check. This is absolutely free and we don't charge for our education. Our mission is to create a financially literate India. Thank you for watching the video.